the dreams now we are building up with a team. It's a way of evolving for the next stage of the earth. It's a teamwork. Of course, it's the Aquarius energy. A team with many people is a very strong energetic power. So there are many ways to do a teamwork. So we are just saying a few words about that to just tell you about the context for the years to come. So if you feel to call to work with specific people for the fact that it's important, it's the intensity. Time is only a human scale frame, but the powerful intention is actually the power by which we can realize amazing things. So when we hold together an intention, pure focus to realize our purpose, we can reach very high level. There's a call, the new earth calls for the dissolution. When we gather in a community for doing this kind of work, actually we are working energetically on new structures to implement, to get the new paradigms to come to realization in the years to come. Whole new conception of how humanity is going to supply to the needs for the food, the energy, the travels, etc. Tukamashti makuri ishin makari. Shute namalai isha makari chukonani. He makali uchu makoli ishinakaro. He makoli chamakai ma. We share this gathering with the people around the world who want to participate in a beautiful way, in a benevolent way, to make the life continuing on earth and to make this happen in a balanced way, harmonious way, respectful way for the each being. Each being has a specific blueprint and energetic architecture, and we call for this gathering to be tuned with the people open, energetically open to that intention.